How to get $50 Goodrx coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Goodrx coupon codes and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working coupon codes for Goodrx. For instance, I'm going to open this one. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. You can see that 80% off, sale, $200 off, 5% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on see coupon. So here is the code, you can copy it. Then you can head towards the website of Goodrx and log into your account, make your purchase and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, make sure to try out other offers, as in this page you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Just scroll and check. Also, make sure to go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working coupon codes for Goodrx. Well, this way you can easily get up to $50 Goodrx coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.